If you're too light for your mattress, your spine isn't supported sufficiently, leading to back stiffness and pains. If you're too heavy for your mattress, your weight causes stress on your spine, resulting in uncomfortable sleep. However, when you get a mattress that's just right for you, you're rewarded with comfortable sleep. Introducing the Posture Support Mattress range by Godrej Interio. Designed to perfectly suit your body weight. The materials make the vital difference. Each layer and segment are designed specific to each body build. It's intelligently divided into 5 parts, with different densities for different body areas. Your body and spine are supported rightly according to the weight distribution and natural body curve. So no matter how you sleep, this mattress helps you do it while enjoying uninterrupted sleep. Get your own personalized mattress today.